Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. Many people nowadays asking, are there any jobs in Power BI? Really, we don't have any jobs in Power BI. The answer is completely false. There are many openings in Power BI, but why the complete, the market is saying there is no job openings for Power BI? Let me open one thing and tell you. I want to show you with practical examples. Let me open Microsoft Edge and I wanted to open Naukri.com. Okay. I would like to open Naukri.com. So, which is number one portal in India, and I wanted to just search for Naukri.com, right? So let me go to Naukri.com and open this site and just search for Power BI jobs, okay? And you can just put some 3 or 4 years, whatever, and the enter location I am putting Hyderabad and Secunderabad where I am staying, and click on search. When you click on search, it is showing you there are totally 1803 jobs are available. Have you seen this? So only in Hyderabad location I'm talking about, only in India, only in Hyderabad location we're talking about Power BI jobs, and there are 1800 plus jobs are available. So tell me how many jobs you need. Do you need 1800 jobs? You need one job, right? So every day, this number of jobs will increase or decrease, right? So it is not a static number. Tomorrow you search, you will be able to see 3000. Day after tomorrow, you see, you will be able to find out 2000, 1500. So every day, you will get lot of job opportunities. But even though there are many, jobs are available in the Naukri itself, but why people are saying no Power BI jobs in the market? Because many people are learning only Power BI. Many people are learning only Power BI and directly applying for a job. That is where is the problem. 2 years back, 3 years back, when I posted the video on Power BI, I clearly told you should not learn only Power BI. If you learn Power BI, definitely you will not be able to get into IT industry. Even though you get into IT industry, definitely you will be thrown out of the company very soon, because Power BI alone cannot work in the companies. You have to learn a lot of other skills as well. Let us understand, so what are the other skills that you need to learn? So Power BI jobs in Hyderabad, Power BI application developer, they're asking about analytics and Azure also. They're asking, just now it got posted, 4 to 6 years of experience, right? When you come down, Power BI and engineering skills also they're looking into. So this is for the Power BI developer role, and it got posted 11 days ago. Okay, and let me come down and Power BI application developer, Python and data analytics skills that you need to have, and SAS. It is also similar to Power BI tool only. When you come down, they're asking SQL and data modeling. So data modeling, SQL skills, and SSAS and SSRS, Python, and data visualization, data management means SQL skills they are looking for. Clear? And it is 2 days ago got posted. So Power BI, Azure, SSAS, SSIS, this is ETL skill, DAX, data analytics, SQL. So nobody needs only Power BI. That is what is the important point you need to understand. So many institutions and many students thinking that if they learn only Power BI, they will get a job. That is 100% not the correct one. So people who are only learning Power BI, they will not be able to crack the interview. They will not be able to get the calls from the HR. So in your CV, you have to have ETL skills, DAX skills, Power BI skills. Then you need to have SQL skills, data warehousing skills. And nowadays, people are also concentrating on Azure Cloud, SSAIS and SSAS. So When you talking about a Power BI or a business intelligence, it is not only Power BI. So people are learning only Power BI and they're going for the job and they're saying, sir, we are not getting any call. So the first reason is that they are learning only one skill, and after that they're simply uploading their CV. Because of this reason, these people are creating saying that no jobs in Power BI. But my students are able to crack lots of interviews, and one girl got a job, and with almost 16.5 lakhs of experience. She does not have any prior expertise. She knows only SQL Server, but after that she couldn't have any other knowledge. She joined our course and she completed not only Power BI. So what is that we are teaching? We are teaching 45 days of SQL. So nobody is teaching. We are teaching 45 days to 50 days of SQL Server with complex assignments. We are also teaching Power BI for almost 45 days to 50 days, and in this we're completely concentrating on data modeling part and DAX completely. And we're also teaching them SSIS. It is part of MSBA. This is going to be taking care of ETL packages. We're also in depth of we are also covering data warehousing concept. Clear? And this will be for almost 7 days. And we're also covering Azure Data Factory, ADF. Clear? So business intelligence means you have to learn SQL Server, that is basic for any technology. And Power BI you have to learn, SQL you have to learn, ETL you need to learn, and data warehousing you need to learn, and Azure also, ADF, Azure Data Factory also we are teaching. This is what we are teaching. We are not only teaching Power BI. So people who are learning only Power BI, they are the losers. Those people are saying no jobs in Power BI because they will not be able to get a call if you learn only Power BI. Power BI means you need to learn all these technologies. Clear? So what are the technologies that you need to learn? SQL Server, completely 45 days to 50 days of training we are giving. Clear? And Power BI also, data modeling, DAX is very, very important. We are covering completely data modeling and DAX and Power BI service in depth. This is for the 2 months course, along with the SQL Server, Power BI, SSIS from the ETL, and data warehousing concept, plus Azure ADF concepts also will get covered. So these many things are needed to get into IT industry. If you ask me the question, do we have jobs in Power BI? The answer is yes if you learn all these courses. The answer is no if you learn only Power BI, then directly go in for an interview. Clear? So the new batch is going to start from September 1st. You will be able to uh, you will be able to get complete knowledge on Power BI along with the SQL Server and everything. So September 1st, we are going to be starting new batch. Okay. So I wanted to tell you that September 1st, 2022, morning 8 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Timing, new Power BI batch is going to start. The meeting link I'll be providing in the description. You can directly join the meeting and you can talk to me personally. New Power BI batch is going to start on the day. You can talk to me with your doubts and clarifications. What is the eligibility? Any graduate. Okay? Any graduate and any year passed out. Any graduate, any year passed out will be able to, any year passed out. Okay? Any year passed outs can easily get into IT industry. So even though you have a 10 to 15 years of gap, and you're coming from BA, BCom, botany, zoology, MBA, BCom background, it doesn't matter. Even though you're coming from Open University, it doesn't matter. Please come and meet me on September 1st, 2022. I'll be providing a meeting ID in the description window of this video. Please, please come and join. If you miss this batch, next batch will be on October 1st. We don't have any evening batches. We don't have any classroom batch, classroom trainings. We don't have any other slots. We have only single slot. Every month we're going to be planning for only one batch. So there are many Power BI job opportunities. When you learn not only Power BI, you have to learn multiple other skills. The beauty is that so all these are no coding. All these are no coding. What is the eligibility to attend or to get into IT industry by learning Power BI means nothing. If you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can easily jump into Power BI because Power BI is a drag and drop software. But if you learn only Power BI, that is useless. You need to have combinations of all of them. You have to know ETL, you have to know SQL Server, you have to know Power BI, you have to know data warehousing, you have to know everything. So all these things will take 3 months to complete. Daily 1 hour. Complete assignments are going to be covered. Case studies are covered. End-to-end project is will be given for free, and all the interviews, questions are shared, mocks are conducted. Each and everything will be handled by me. So please attend my next, class on the September 1st morning, 8 o'clock. The meeting ID will be given in the description of this, link. And if you have your friends or family members, please refer. And I wanted to show you couple of offers, okay, from the BCom guys, botany, zoology guys, B Pharmacy guys, and 2005 passed out, 2008 passed out, all the people who already, got an offers, lot of offers, they have cracked it, all of them. I wanted to show you in the demo. Clear? So don't miss out an opportunity. If you join the demo, you will be able to get, discounted price. And if you wanted to enroll for this, you can just call us and you will be able to enroll, or we will be able to give you a description, one more link where you will be able to just go there and give you your details so that you will be able to get into the demo. So 3 day, 3 days, free demos will be there. You join the demos meeting, the meeting link and everything will be given in this video link itself. And share if happy with your content like this. And let them know that there are best, possibilities to get into IT industry. And why you need to go into IT industry means best salaries and no coding, and you will be able to train from very very basic level to advanced level. Clear? We have same Power BI classes are available in English language and Telugu language. Not only this, other topics also available in English and Telugu. You can choose whatever you like to have it. Clear? Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys.